Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to sell digital products on Shopify. First, you need to set up your account on Shopify. And then here, just need to sign in to your profile. And once you're here on the dashboard, go to the search bar right here at the top of your screen. And then click on apps. And then just need to type in digital downloads. Now find the digital download app with the cloud and download icon, as you can see right here, and then click on install button right here at the bottom left. So once you click on the install button here, then on the next page, you just have to click again the install button. So as you can see, this app needs some access. Once you tap on the install button, then you'll be taken to your product list. So from here, as you can see on your screen, you just need to choose which your product you're trying to add a digital file. As you can see, I have an audiobook or ebook. Then here, click on the add digital files right here. And once you click on that, you will now go to the next page. Here, you just need to add the file. For example, I'm going to add this audio. So find the file that you want to add. So basically, and then once done, you just have to wait until it's done uploading to your digital file. And then click on the fulfillment gear icon right here at the top right. And here, make sure that you set to automatically send files. And also, you can set for download limit for your customer if you want, or just check the box for unlimited downloads. So for example, if you want the 15 downloads or you want unlimited downloads. And once done, just click on the apply button right there at the bottom right. Now, if you want to check your product on your website, click on the view in admin. Then we're going to click on leave page. And then here on the admin page, basically you have to just click on the preview button. It's right over here. So you'll find here your digital product, as you can see. And then if your customer or viewer wants to buy this product or digital product, they just need to click on the buy now button, and they will automatically, or they will get a download link once they purchase it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.